Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to download maps in MCPE. I mean, I'm gonna play maps in MCPE. So, what do you want today, guys? So guys, this is actually puzzle. Yeah, let's go to puzzle, guys. Find the lever mode. Find the button. Find the button. Find the button. Troll test. L escape. Okay, let's go find the button. I mean lever. Oh my goodness. So let's go play it right now, guys. There we go. Let's go play it, guys. For the truth. So guys, I know you like my videos. Just comment down below. Okay, because I'm using MCP Master. So guys, do you know even a farm frog? I mean, that's so easy. You mean that's so easy? 1.8 that. I'm gonna. Okay, getting products. Almost done, guys. Just wait a second. I'm gonna sleep. Is it done? Not yet. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Wait. Do I have? Oh, I got internet connection. Okay. Okay.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go now.
Okay. 1.8 update.
Let's go.
You know what? Yeah, we don't need 1.8. So let's just do this. Find the lever mode.
Let's go.
Yes. Find the lever mode. It's my best. Yes. If you like, comment down below now. So my first adventure in Minecraft.
Go again. Here we go.
This is gonna be intense. This is gonna be intense, guys. I won. Okay. Map updated. Find the lever. Start. Okay, you need to find a lever. Okay, I don't know. This is challenging. Ow! No! How did you do that? Okay. Cave trophy. So we need to find a lever. Where is it? Find the lever mode. You know what? Yeah, this is gonna be easy peasy. Oh! It's very hard. Fine. Troll face. Why am in the cave trophy? Oh, is it there? No. Yeah, it's super hard. You know what? Yeah, just go. I hate this map. Ow. Oh my. Peekaboo. Yeah, peekaboo. So fine. Oh, that was so easy. It was right here. It was right here. Oh my goodness. There we go. How is he? Oh, is it most milk?
To see that, but credit his dedication. He continues to work on his game.
Okay. It wasn't easy though. Just right here. So easy, dude. So easy. So easy. But the something is suspicious.
Oh, ang nagkadayon kay si Chung, ang anak. Si Prince.
Okay, guys, I'm done. So bye.